It is Sunday morning, and as I rolled out of bed, I kept thinking, there's a lot of work that needed to be done here at the shop. And so, one of them was sharpening the mower blades. We change them out every week. Take the old out and put in the new. It's been a while since I've sharpened blades. Usually it's one of my employees doing it. It's alright. I'm not afraid to work. I started this business in 2009, all by myself, after I've just quit drinking, drugging, partying, and doing those unhealthy things in life. I was just 21 years old, still young. I was lost, and man, it was lonely. When you quit all those things, those people that you thought was your friends, they're no longer around. Alright guys, so I got done sharpening them. I can't find our balancer. You know? It's frustrating. Don't you guys hate that when you can't find stuff? We gotta get better at organizing here. You know? So normally we clean this before I sharpen them, but this time I sharpened it before I cleaned it. It's all this junk, grass, you guys. I just use a spatula here just to clean all this out. You know? So after getting done sharpening blades, I just started walking around the shop, just thinking to myself, man, how lucky I am to be alive and to have these opportunities in life. I like this property, you guys. I purchased it. Well, that's the property I purchased this last winter. To the ones that've been following, you probably know why I bought it. To the ones that don't, I bought it because, guys, I was renting another shop across the street from my embroidery shop. And I was paying like $450 a month, and I wanted a bigger space. And so I found another space, different location, probably about half a mile from our embroidery shop. And so it was big. It was 40 by 60, and I was renting. I think I was paying $1,200 a month for that. That was a lot. And so I was there about a month. I enjoyed the space and what it did for me for a month, but things didn't go the way as planned in that shop. I won't go into details. So it forced me to look for a different shop. And so I found this shop. It's very private, and I like that. And so we bought it. And it's got, I think this is a 24 by 24 shed right here. It was, you guys, this property was, it was bad. It needed some TLC, and it still does. I mean, we power wash that and stuff. We still need to paint it, you know, paint the trims and stuff. But this back here, the vinyl was all like, it had like mold and mildew and stuff on it. So we power washed that too, and we cleaned it all up. It's let me see, get in here. So let's turn on the lights. Oh, there we go, we got it. So this is the shop. It's very, I mean, it's a nice shop. It does have some water issue. I'm not liking that. We need to address that and fix that, because water does seep in there. This is a big shed that just was set on this concrete floor. And so like you see, there's, wow, didn't realize it was that bad. So yeah, I started painting and stuff, but eventually we're gonna get new siding, put a new garage door on there. It's a nice spot. Trim, everything still needs to be painted. I started painting, but I didn't finish, as you can see. So, new door. All right, that's. So yeah, this is it right here. This. I don't think it has water issues. No, there's no water issues in here. It's very big. I think it's bigger than 25 over here. Let me check. It's bigger than 25. Ah, 25. Yeah. Oh, okay, 25, you guys. About 25 by 70. So. Yeah, so this is the shop. I like it, and I bought it for $80,000. This location. We rent where the wood area is that I showed you. That's not our property. We don't own that. I rent that. And yeah, and then I bought this for $80,000. So my payment, I believe my payment on here is like $600 a month. It's not bad. So. Yeah, so this is it, you guys. And there's always something to do on the weekends. Like fall, winter of last year, my son and I, we started the firewood business together. And it's grown into this. You know, now we got wood everywhere. It's fun. I enjoy doing it. You know, enjoy doing it, spending time with my oldest son. And you know, growing up not having a father, it makes me realize how important it is for me to be a father and to do things that I didn't get to do with my father. And so you learn from that. You know, I never knew my father. I never seen my father. And you know, it never, as I grew up, I realized that it was important to me when I had a son, when I had kids. I'd be there for them and do whatever I can to provide. And so I made sure that that was going to happen. And because growing up, I know what it feels like to not have a dad, have a father. And you know, that was one thing that I was missing. But as I got older and I started to figure life out a little bit, I found out that, you know, not having a father doesn't stop me from doing what I need to do in life. It just makes me a better person. Makes me a better person, makes me a better dad. And that's my son's firewood business. And so, you know, you guys, I just enjoy being out here. It's Sunday, and I just like doing stuff at the shop. You know, and just making progress on my dreams, my goals that I want to achieve. Because every small step you take, every small action you do, it helps me personally to reach my goals. Because me sitting around doesn't do any good. And so, One day, time is not on our side, you guys. It just flies. And one day I would like to just clean up, do some more cleaning around this property. I'm very, very grateful for this property, and I don't take nothing for granted. I've worked hard. We've built this business, and we just have to keep it going. And I feel good about having what I have today. And so I want to clean up this property and just get it up looking nice, like the embroidery shop. You know, we inside, you guys, and outside too. We spent a lot of money updating and upgrading, making our shop look nice. And just when things are nice and not so run down, you guys, it makes, for me personally, it makes me feel good. It makes me feel like I've accomplished something and done something, because I grew up not having anything, and now I've got a little bit, and I appreciate it. I appreciate what I have, and I always want to upkeep it and make it look nice. To be honest, I'm very proud. I'm very proud, and I'm humbled about what we have. And that's why I think the hustle, you guys, runs in the blood. And when you get a little taste of what life in America is like, man, why didn't I find this sooner? Why didn't I grasp it sooner? You know? So, but it is what it is. So, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and you know, you guys, enjoy life. Make the best out of it, and just appreciate it. So you guys take care, and till next time, we will see ya.